On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don close Santana market to fit take support the market people for better location. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don order am say make dem close Santana market wey dey Sapele road for Benin City sake of say better things wey suppose dey the open market no dey there. Governor Obaseki give the order when dem do weekly State Executive Council meeting (EXCO) as e tok say new plan unto how open market go dey for the state go soon come out. Edo State government tok say dem go close the market sake of say the location wey e dey no fit the market size. Dem say dem and Ikpoba local government area go support the first set of market people wey ready comot go market wey near dem and free for the area. Edo State government tok say as dem wan close the market so make market people join the local government talk on top relocation matter, as one dey for Dumais road and another one dey down Sapele road. State government tok say dem wan close this market sake of say e no get wetin open market suppose get like parking space, toilet and water, and the market too near road, the one wey be say e dey cause traffic. Dem say the size sef too small for the kind market wey e be, as dem don dey do better collabo with local government council unto wetin open market suppose get for the state, as this one go help block all this kind katakata wey dey shele for market dem, and this one e go make buy and sell matter make e clear well for customers and market people. If una remember say e never too tey wey fire catch for Santana market wey dey Sapele road for Benin City, and state government be go do check and this check na im come bring the order say make dem close the market make buy and sell matter for clear well for customers and market people dem. Na here we see the informate reach on top inside Edo today, as Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don order am say make dem close Santana market make dem for fit support the market people dem for better location. This ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im knack am come give una. Make una no come forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey yarn and dey give una on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.